guys. So today I'm going with SJ to go get I don't even know what we're gonna do. Go get something to drink, maybe go for a walk, go for a drive. I don't know what we're gonna do. I just don't want to be home. So I feel a little weird right now because there's people outside watching me, but I need to get over that because that's just part of vlogging. But yeah, in the car. I'll take you guys along with me for whatever we're about to do. SJ. Alright, so I just stopped at this shop, this local coffee shop. Got a refresher. Not bad. Not really sure what we're gonna do. I'm gonna sit here and think about it for a minute and then we'll get on the road and head there. Alright guys, so I just parked the car. We are at a lake, not too far from my house. I got SJ in the car. I think he's ready to get out. I'll show you real quick. There is the lake. Very pretty, calm, not busy right now. So yeah, I am wearing a sweater. I got this sweater when I was in Niagara. It's like 70 right now. It's really, really nice weather. Damn it. Yeah, it's really pretty out. So I was thinking like 70s, like sweater weather. So I was hoping like I wouldn't get too hot, but we'll see. But it is what it is. So I might walk down, go to the dock. I'm probably gonna walk on this trail. There's a little trail that goes through the woods. That's really pretty. I like to stop there and sit next to the water and like skip some rocks if I can find some good ones. So it looks like no one's over there, so that's looking like that's gonna be the spot for the day. Look how pretty these things are. Can't wait to go kayaking. Once I get my roof racks on my car, I can start kayaking here again. It's really pretty. Look who decided to catch up. There's a dragonfly right here. That's as much as it'll let me zoom in. Wonder how close we can get to it. Yep. He loves eating grass, especially by the water. That's his fiber, I guess. He's probably gonna fall in the water because he's like way too close to this ledge. But that's okay. So here's the original trail, and this is what they're doing to it. Completely putting a new trail in. But I'm glad the original trail's still here. It's so pretty. Oh, I found a bird in the trees, I think. This little spot down here is my favorite. It's just like a cove area. Wow, this looks so beautiful. Okay, we got to my favorite spot, my little picnic table, and we're gonna go try to find some little rocks, little stones. Ashley wants to go get in the water. This purple, look at him go. This purple bush right here, this purple plant is a wild spearmint plant. These are the spearmint leaves right here. This is what the bud looks like on the plant. It grows really close to the water, near river banks and things. It smells really good, even like if you smell like just touching it, like my fingers smell like spearmint, really, really strong. What? What are you doing? He's soaking wet and muddy. He decided to take a walk down the water. This right here is really beautiful and smells really good. I don't know what it's called though, but I really like it. Alright, found a little nook off the trail a little bit. I'm literally sitting in between two tree stumps, or not tree stumps, like rooted vines. I'll show you how these vines, or not vines, these tree roots are like out. I'm like sitting in between them. There's a lot of litter down at my favorite spot. I'm pretty sad about it. If I had a garbage bag, I'd pick it all up. But maybe next time. So one thing about me, I used to actually clean up highways and do like litter pickups and stuff. I haven't done it in a while, but yeah, I hate litter. I hate people that litter. But can't do anything about it except just clean it up. But anyways, besides that, everything is great. It's a beautiful day. And we're gonna chill here for a little bit. Oops. Stay here for a little bit and then get going. These two guys are over here fishing. Probably definitely gonna be able to hear them. Alright guys, so that is, that is it for today. Thank you so much for coming along with me. If you enjoyed this video, let me know. Just a little something simple, just a little like outdoors, like, you know, simple day, nothing too crazy. So yeah, I'm going to pick up my meal subscriptions I just got delivered and go home, eat some food, and eat some of those meal subscriptions. Probably gonna have the curry, hopefully, fingers crossed, they sent me the right stuff. But yeah, SJ's beat. He is so tired. He's back there. He got in the water, he's muddy, so I'll give him a bath later. But yeah, oh look, he's getting ready to go to sleep. But yeah, thank you guys. If you like this video, let me know. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Alright.